Hello everyone, and welcome to the CONS3RT Help channel. Today, we'll be covering account reactivation. If your account has expired but you would like to continue to use CONS3RT, head on over to Sign In, select Account Assistance, select My Account is Inactive, enter your email. One of our old interns provided this dummy email account, and a reactivation request will find its way to our support team. If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the CONS3RT Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.